Hi guys, my name is Gerald from Trading Waves. Welcome to today's short video. We look at Bitcoin today, what we can expect next on Bitcoin, and what can be done, possibly in terms of short-term trade setups within the swings that we'll be looking at on Bitcoin. Right, Bitcoin on your screen on the 1 hourly. This is what is currently happening. But I just want to show you something, guys, before we go on to the actual chart here. And this is the Bitcoin before and after moves. Okay, so on Bitcoin, this is what on this date, October the 20th, 2020, we had this view on Bitcoin. And at that time, we had this expected expanding flat corrective structure, right, within 2 in red. Quite complex to the untrained eye, but what we had an expectation of was from here for this move to trade into the blue box and then give us a move higher. That's what we at least expected to see, right? And guess what happened next? So what we're expecting, just to recap and ensure that we are all on the same page, was that price should go into the blue box, that very small blue box there, and move higher, right? And then after that, after it makes this move, we were expecting that it was going to make that move lower, come and break below the low of 1 in red there, right? So that was the forecast and the expectation. And during our New York updates on October 20th, we shared this with our members, right? Then look what happened. Just over a month later, on the 22nd of November, about 2 days ago, when we do a follow-up chart, we see that price indeed went lower into the blue box. It gave us all this move in wave 2. We plotted another blue box there, seeing the opportunity, and then gave us that move that we were expecting to come and break below the low of red wave 1 there. So 2 moves, not 2, but 3 actually. The short move into the blue box, this move higher for 2 in red, and this move lower there. Almost 5,000, almost 6,000 points, give or take, move in Bitcoin, all backed. And that is all thanks to our analysis and strategy. Okay, so we analyze using Elliott wave, but Elliott wave that has been, for lack of a better phrase, customized. We still apply and follow the rules, the basic rules of Elliott wave, but this is a modern wave theory that which we follow, and that's how we are able to very accurately predict the next couple of moves in a market. And most of the time, not only are we able to predict a move, we are also able to predict what kind of a move it should be. Should it be an impulse? Are we expecting a diagonal? Are we expecting a corrective move? And if a corrective move, more or less of what size? Up to where should the move be expected to go? That sort of thing. That's what we do. And now we are here in this section of the chart. What are we saying? What we are saying now is that we're expecting this move to come and tag this top and then continue lower. I've had when Bitcoin was at around 30,000 a couple of months back to about a year. Many people across the globe were saying, buy the dips, Bitcoin is going to 100,000. Buy the dips, Bitcoin is going to 100,000. Meantime, what we were doing was not just looking to buy the dips, we were analyzing the charts. Then we saw that it was not the right time to buy the dips as Bitcoin was in a long-term correction, like a very long-term correction, and we therefore were selling the bounces. We would buy short-term dips, such as that area there, but we would sell long-term, such as that over there. I mean, this move is relatively shorter compared to that move, and we have a short position from here. We are holding it. we're holding it because what we expect is more downside, and we'll be looking to add to this short position for more downside on Bitcoin. Right, so you can use your own strategy to enter. You can use your own analysis to enter. This is how we do it, and this is how we view things, and we always share this with our members. Right, and if you're interested in knowing how to do what we do the way we do it, you can always visit our website. We have a 40% special running on most of our offerings here, so you can take advantage of that and become part of the family. All right. I hope this video is of some use to you, and we'll be happy to welcome you to the family. Cheers.